when you don't have a shovel. This guy's gonna try and help us.
There's a guy that's gonna come back and help us. So. Yeah, car loses. It won't start?
Oh my God. Wow, it's a lightsaber.
Today was the first day of actually driving around and being outside because it's been snowing for the past 2 days, like all weekend. So we were like snowed in, but we were at the house and had people over and we were all snowed in together, so it was fun. I didn't want to go to class today or drive. The roads are actually really good. It was like super warm today, meaning 40 degrees. It's super warm right now. So it melted a lot. And it's supposed to snow again later this week. Thank God some of the snow here melted. Just sitting in traffic, which is not fun. Heading back to my apartment, but just checking in, hoping you guys are having a good week. Yeah. So guys, craziest thing. It like snowed 2 feet like 2 days ago. And it's like 40 degrees right now. Such a party. It's really hopping.
May I remind you that he's one of them?
Oh, snowing.
Then we danced in the dark, gonna step to the stars in the pouring rain. And I know that I can't even tell you. Maybe I'll take whatever it is you got to give. Yeah, I'm calling this.
When you're just dancing and singing and drinking, having a good time with your friends, and then all of a sudden it's 7 in the morning. Like, you turn the light off.
Sorry. It is 7 in the
Like,
morning.
how does that happen?
I don't know. It's freaking 7 in the morning and we're just going to bed.
Like, this is gonna mess up everything. But we had fun.
Yeah, it was great.
Hey guys, so walking to my first exam of the day. Wish me luck. Cassie. First exam. Taking pictures.
Here, wait. Alright, I'm sorry, but I am. Can you pause that?
How did we end up talking in the first place? You said you liked my Cobain shirt. Now we're walking back to your place. You're telling me how you love that song about living on a prayer. Pretty sure that we're halfway there. And when I wake up next to you, I wonder how. How did we end up here?
That's right. Thanks for
I
looking
have
at
4
the
exams this week and I'm sitting here at the
Kayak,
beer
travel
pong.
problem solved.
That's kind of blinding. Yeah, okay, just want to make sure it's not broken. I know, it's fine. How are you feeling?
I look at yeah, can I come with you? Yeah. I'm taking video. Party! I'm not wearing a hat.
You aren't wearing a hat and I'm so proud of you! Dave,
What the fuck is
Dave, Hey guys, so it is snowing really bad outside and it's been brittle, but I love the snow, so it's alright. When you show up to class, half an hour early, and you're just sitting here chilling. Getting milkshakes!
Milk, 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 milk.
Shaking, shaking, shaking.
Alright, Dad, I need to go to bed.
Hit the dam! I'm not posting on my story. Yeah.
Okay.
Say this is for you, Lo.
This is for you, Lo.
You know what I'm gonna do on Valentine's Day?
What, kiss yourself?
No. Lunch with the fam.
Don't hit me.
Don't stop. Stop. Cheesecake bag.
Blue staring in the window pane, just counting drops of rain. Wondering if she's got the guts to take.
So my family just came to visit and it was so much fun. I'm so glad they came because I really miss them when I'm at school. And they stayed. We had a really good time. So tomorrow's Valentine's Day and I don't have a Valentine. But lucky for me, neither does Del Ball. And I secretly got her a Valentine's Day gift. This is her Valentine's Day present. Just food, candy, and then I'm gonna write her a little cute little note. Because everyone deserves to have a Valentine. Here are the must-haves of every single girl on Valentine's Day. Bay number 1, wine, or really any alcoholic beverage. Bay number 2, Netflix. All day. Netflix. So I'm watching all these like love story movies and it just really makes me want to drown my sorrows away. Then I'm sitting here watching all these shows of my favorite couples and these romantic movies, and it's really making me contemplate my love life. And Valentine's Day, gotta love it. How freaking gorgeous. All the trees are like wintry, frosted, frozen over. So pretty. So gorgeous. Berks County, here I am, home. Wawa, yes! Woo! Just arrived home. Best part of being home. Wawa, yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, well, I'll go get Jillian.
Okay.
And then I'll see you guys at home later. Then I'll just drop it off. Or actually, what I could do is